Meaning of enclosure.
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 Enclosure. Enclosure refers to the process of converting common land into privately owned property, typically by erecting fences or other barriers. This practice was common in Europe from the 16th to 19th centuries and caused significant disruption and social upheaval for rural communities. Enclosure often resulted in the displacement of small farmers and peasants who depended on common land for grazing, hunting, and gathering, leading to increased poverty and inequality. It also facilitated the rise of large-scale commercial agriculture and contributed to the growth of industrial capitalism by providing a source of cheap labor for factories.